Hello student, good morning. In previous video already you have finished 3 lesson, first, second and third. Dear student, today I am going to start fourth lesson and it is climate. In this chapter we have to study the climate of Brazil and India. All of you know this year we have to study comparative study of Brazil and India. So dear student, today's video we will study about the climate of Brazil and India. First of all, dear student, on page number 25 there is one activity for you. Okay, figure number 4.1 and figure number 4.2. By studying this figure number 4.1 and 4.2, you have to solve below the questions. Okay, all these questions. So dear student, see page number 25, figure number 4.1. okay, there is annual average precipitation and temperature. First questions, see there, considering the isotherm of Brazil, what is the average range of temperature in Brazil? Okay, see there, temperature, okay, means what is the average temperature in whole country? The answer is 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, if you will see 28, okay, in you can see south side there is a 18, 16, but average temperature is 28. In which area does it rain more? In which area, मतलब कौन से एरिया में सबसे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल होता है? सो डियर स्टूडेंट, द आंसर इज अमेजॉन वैली. विच आंसर? अमेजॉन वैली. ओके, रिसीव मोर रेनफॉल. ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, फ्रॉम विच डायरेक्शन आर विंड फ्लोइंग टुवर्ड द ब्राज़ील? फ्रॉम विच डायरेक्शन आर wind flowing toward the Brazil? Dear student, in our India we get rainfall from monsoon wind, and in Brazil, okay, they get rainfall from trade winds. So dear student, third question is, from which directions are winds flowing toward the Brazil? Which directions? The answer is northeast. Okay, if you see northeast direction and southeast, northeast and southeast. Then next question is, what could be the reason behind that? What could be the reason behind that? Because what is the reason means, if you will see, the reason is you can say there are permanent trade winds. As I told you, in Brazil they get rainfall from the trade winds. Okay, flow from the high pressure belt to the equatorial low pressure belt. Okay, means trade winds blow from the high, you can say flow from the high pressure belt near the equator. All of you know equator passes through the Brazil. Equator passes to the Brazil. Okay, and that's why you can say the reason behind it. The next question is, what could be the obstruction in the way of winds? In the way of winds, जो winds है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट winds and साउथ ईस्ट wind, what is the obstruction? उसको रुकावट क्या है? Okay, the answer is escarpment. What is escarpment? Means hill range. Hill range, it is a highlands, okay, range, and due to the escarpment the trade winds cannot, you can say, cross that area. That's why opposite directions they receive very less rainfall. Okay, and you know that area is called as drought quadrilateral area, or in simple way rain shadow area. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Rain shadow area. So in this way, dear students, next questions, which type of rainfall will occur because of this wind? Which type of rainfall? The answer is orographic rainfall. Which? Orographic rainfall. So in this way, dear students, okay, all these questions, okay, you have to solve, okay, or study carefully it is activity for you. Now see page number 26. Okay, observe the figure number 4.3 and write the answer. Now in this activity we have to study the map of our India. This map, Indian map. Okay, in this map, okay, it is also annual average rainfall and temperature. Annual average rainfall and temperature. So dear student, first question is, which region get more than 4000 millimeter of rainfall? मतलब 4000 मिलीमीटर से ज़्यादा बारिश कौन सी एरिया में होती है इन और कंट्री इंडिया में? द आंसर इज वेस्टर्न घाट, वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न region comprising Mawsynram and Cherrapunji get more than 4000 millimeter of rainfall. So okay, if you will see the index of more than 4000, Mawsynram and Cherrapunji, okay, these two places, okay, they get more than 4000 millimeter rainfall. And here you can say the coastline of western coastline and near the western Ghat. Then second questions, identify the region which maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum and minimum temperature. The answer is part of the peninsular plateau and islands have high temperature. Means those part is a peninsular plateau, means you can say in the south side, and islands both islands in the Bay of Bengal as well as in the Arabian Sea, okay, there is a high temperature. And hilly region of north, and in the north side, okay, those areas you can say occupied by hill, northeast and south India have low temperature. Okay, hilly region of north, northeast, South India have low temperature. Next question is, identify the direction of winds sown. What are they are known as? Okay, so identify the direction of winds sown. What are they known as? The answer is, the winds sown are south-west directions. The winds south-west, okay, you will see from the Arabian Sea, south-west directions, the winds are called southwest monsoon wind. Means we can say that those winds, okay, blows from the Arabian Sea, okay, that wind is called as southwest monsoon wind. That wind is called as southwest monsoon winds. Next questions, which winds are the responsible for the rainfall in India? Which rainfall is responsible for the rainfall in India? Southwest monsoon winds are which southwest monsoon winds. Okay, these winds are responsible for the rainfall in India. Next questions, some part of Rajasthan is under desert. What could be reason for it? So you know that we get rainfall from southwest monsoon wind, and there is a Aravalli mountain. Okay, due to the Aravalli mountains, okay, means Aravalli mountain is obstruction of southwest monsoon wind. That's why in the opposite direction of Aravalli mountain they receive very low rainfall. That's why there is a desert. Means some part of Gujarat as well as Rajasthan, okay, there is a desert. So what is the reason? So the reason is that low rainfall and high temperature are the reason of western part of Rajasthan being desert. There is very low rainfall and very high temperature is there. That's why there is a desert. Okay, in this way, dear student, okay, we have solved all these questions. Okay, actually it is a activity for you, it is a homework for you. Okay, next video we will see next activity. Okay, today is for all this. Okay, thank you.